So, sa video, inaamin talaga ni Brother Sok na sinikduke po yung God died. Ano ba yung sinikduke? Figure of speech. One of the figure of speech. So, figurative lang yung God died issue nila. Pero nandito na. Ano bang authority ni Brother Sok nito? Ano ba ang authority sa mga CFD na hindi tumatanggap sa letter ni Archbishop Jose? At anong mangyari sa inyo? Maging little bishop kayo. Maging little pope kayo. No, maging kayo na ang magisteryo. Kayo na ang official na interpreter. At kung uubay lang kayo, so it heals us. It heals us. Magagamot yung wounds of division. Bakit may division among us? Because you never obey the official statement of Bishop Palma. You continue to go to Bishop Palma but you never obey. Anong sabi ni Archbishop Palma? God died is to be understood literally, not figuratively. So, hindi na yung theological concept ni Brother Sok na sinikdoke, figure of speech. Uulitin ko uli, Brother Efren, makinig ka. Ang kapatid na Efren, kapatid na Jong, na most talkative. Wala namang laman. Basahin nyo uli ito. Makita tayo, bibigyan ko kayo ng award. Most talkative. No, hindi, isa lang yung bibig natin. Dalawa yung tainga natin. Parang the more we listen to the official teachings of the church. Paano yan? Bright ka nga. Magaling ka makigdebate. Pero wala ka namang gift to listen. Listen to the official statement of Archbishop Palma. So, sinasagot lang natin mga kapatid, punto por punto. So, ito po ang sulat ni Archbishop Jose kay Father Fran Villegas. May dito, may logo, may pirma ni Archbishop Jose. Ngayon, pride can blind us. It is really the pride can blind us. So, kailangan natin mga kapatid, magpakumbaba tayo. Ito po yung advice ko sa inyo kahit nauna pa kayo. Listen and obey our official. Hindi lang paputulin nyo yung mga statement. So Brother Efren, kung patuloy ka pa hindi naniniwala sa sinabi, God died literally, nandito na ang official statement. May pirma pa, may logo pa ni Archbishop Palma. So the more you question the official statement of CBCP, the more you question and you impose your own opinion, the more yung kredibilidad na ninyo mawawala talaga. Sayang. Advice ko po kay Brother Sok, obey to the official statement of Father Archbishop Jose Palma and His Eminence Cardinal Vidal. Obey. Obedience is greater than sacrifice. Idolo ko po si Brother Sok Fernandez. Idolo ko po si Brother Adam Ampir. Idolo ko sila. Pero sa puntong ito, pasensya na po kayo. I will obey more to the official statement of Archbishop Jose Palma, His Eminence Cardinal Vidal, and the CBCP approved catechesis. Kapag hindi kayo mag-concede nito, kapatid, na Brother Sok, sa punto lang ito, sa puntong ito, I really appreciate your endeavor, your zeal in defending the faith, Brother Sok, Brother Adam. Let us obey. Let us obey. Let us obey. And don't continue to be more aggressive in your own and personal interpretation on this matter. Buksan nyo yung isipan ninyo.